Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. Matthew records that at the baptism of Jesus, a miraculous sign was given, and a voice from heaven said, "This is my Son, whom I love." This verse is often contrasted with ones found in the Gospel of John, which tell us, "You have never heard his voice, nor seen his form." Many have claimed that God has spoke to them, and the voice is often disconcerting or warm. Is this an actual recording of God's voice? If you believe it or not, what do you think the voice of God would sound like if we could actually hear it?